25 interesting GK question and answers about birds. Set 8. What is the scientific name for the common pigeon? Columba livia. Which is the fastest species of bird in the world? The peregrine falcon. Which is the largest species of owl in the world? The Eurasian eagle owl. Which is the smallest species of bird in the world? The bee hummingbird. Which is the longest species of bird in the world? The ostrich. Which is the heaviest species of bird in the world? The ostrich. Which is the largest species of penguin in the world? The emperor penguin. Which is the smallest species of owl in the world? The elf owl. Which is the largest species of flamingo in the world? The greater flamingo. Which is the largest species of vulture in the world? The cinereous vulture. Which is the largest species of bird found in the Arctic? The emperor penguin. Which is the largest species of bird found in Antarctica? The peregrine falcon. Which is the largest species of heron in the world? The Goliath heron. Which is the largest species of stork in the world? The marabou stork. Which is the largest species of swan in the world? The mute swan. Which is the largest species of seagull in the world? The western gull. Which is the largest species of crow in the world? The hooded crow. Which is the largest species of raven in the world? The common raven. Which is the largest species of woodpecker in the world? The ivory-billed woodpecker. Which is the largest species of sparrow in the world? The Eurasian tree sparrow. Which is the fastest bird in a level flight? The white-throated needletail. Which is the largest species of water bird in the world? The Australian pelican. Which is the smallest species of bird in the grasslands? The grasshopper. What do penguins eat? Penguins primarily eat fish and krill. What do pelicans eat? Pelicans feed primarily on fish and other small aquatic creatures. What do vultures eat? Vultures feed primarily on carrion or dead animals. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.